Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create private servers on Roblox. So go to Roblox and select the game that you want to create a private server on. Now some games, the servers are free, some of them are not. So keep that in mind. I'll just show you still, like maybe this one. Select this icon. Then select create private server. Now, as you can see, I need Roblox to create private server. You can select the create button here and you'll be able to see other servers as well. And you can join them if it's not like private. I mean, it will be private, I guess, but like if they like allow it. And that's pretty much it. Again, some of them you have to pay for it. Some of them are free. Let's see about this one. Okay, so this one is free. So you can create the server name to whatever you want. And then you're just going to select buy now. It's not going to charge you because it's 0 Robux. But yeah, that is how you can create private servers on Roblox. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!